The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is the latest foldable phone from Samsung, and it's a significant improvement over its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Fold 4. It's lighter, thinner, and more durable, and it has a more powerful processor and better cameras. Camera. The Z Fold 5 has a triple-lens rear camera system with a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultrawide sensor, and a 10-megapixel telephoto sensor. The front-facing camera is a 10-megapixel sensor. The camera system is capable of taking good photos in most lighting conditions. The main sensor takes sharp and detailed photos, and the ultrawide sensor is great for capturing wide-angle shots. The telephoto sensor is useful for taking zoomed-in shots, but it's not as good as the telephoto sensors on some other phones. The camera system also has a number of features that are designed to take advantage of the foldable display. For example, you can use the outer display to take selfies or videos, and then open the phone to see the full results on the larger inner display. Hardware. The Z Fold 5 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, which is one of the fastest mobile processors on the market. It's paired with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. This combination of hardware makes the Z Fold 5 a powerhouse for multitasking and gaming. The Z Fold 5 also has a large and vibrant display. The outer display is 6.7 inches and has a 120 Hz refresh rate, while the inner display is 7.6 inches and has a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. Both displays are sharp and clear, and they're great for watching videos, playing games, or browsing the web. Software. The Z Fold 5 runs Android 13 with Samsung's One UI skin on top. The software is well optimized for the foldable display, and it offers a variety of features that take advantage of the dual-screen design. For example, you can use the split-screen mode to run two apps side by side, or you can use the flex mode to prop up the phone and use it as a mini tablet. The software also has a number of features that are designed to protect the foldable display, such as a screen protector that's built into the hinge. Performance. The Z Fold 5 is a very fast and responsive phone. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor and 12 GB of RAM ensure that it can handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. You can easily switch between apps, multitask, and play games without any lag or slowdown. The Z Fold 5 also has a long battery life. The 4,400 mAh battery can easily last a full day of use, even with heavy use. The phone also supports 25W fast charging, so you can quickly top it up when you need to. Overall verdict. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is a great choice for users who want a powerful and versatile foldable phone. It's not the cheapest phone on the market, but it's worth the price if you're looking for a device that can do it all. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Pros. Powerful processor and plenty of RAM. Large and vibrant displays. Good camera system. Long battery life. Runs Android 13 with One UI. Durable design. Foldable display. Cons. Expensive. Still not as durable as a traditional phone. Foldable display can be prone to fingerprints and smudges. Some apps don't take full advantage of the dual-screen design.